Good morning, everyone. It is, well, maybe it's not morning anymore. It's English class now, so it's about 12:15. Um, Today, we're going to answer some questions about this wonder story that we've been reading so far. Earlier this week, we had a chance to see how Augie felt about some of the people that he met at school. He met teachers, he met students, he got to see some parts of the school, classrooms and things. And today, we get to see what his parents thought about the same students and the same people that they met. Because they all went to the school together, and I think the parents might think different or have a different opinion about people than Augie does. Augie might like one of the students and think, boy, he's really great. And the parents might think, ooh, he's a bad person. So we get to kind of see what both of them think today. In the actual English lesson, though, we just have to answer 4 questions. And they talk about those 2 things. How Augie feels about the students he met and how Augie's parents feel about the students that he's met. The questions are written down, but I can just read them real quickly. Which students does Augie like so far? There's 1 or 2 that are pretty nice, more than some of the others. There's one that he definitely doesn't really like. That's number 2. Which student does Augie not like? The third one, that talks more about what we read today. What does Augie's mom think about the character Julian? We got to see what Augie thinks. Now we get to see what his mom thinks. And is it the same thing? And the last one is a little harder, but what does Augie say that tells us more about him? Sometimes people will say things that are different than what they're thinking. If I asked you, are you having fun reading this story? You might say, yeah, it's good. But you might be thinking, yeah, it's boring, or something like that. Sometimes, though, we can say things that really tell us what we are thinking. And I think that's what Augie does today. He says some things in the story that give you a good idea of what he's really thinking. So, number 4 is a little tricky. If you have a hard time with that one, don't worry about it. It's meant to be a little more challenging anyway. If you have questions, you can always ask me. You guys are really good about asking questions. Line is really, really helpful because sometimes many questions are coming at the same time, and often they're similar, so that helps me answer everybody. So keep up the good work there. If you guys want to work together, you're more than welcome to do that as well. That's the one thing that I kind of wish we could do more of with the distance learning is talk to each other. You guys have really good ideas and you have a unique perspective on some of the characters. So if you guys want to work together to answer these questions, I think that would be really helpful. You're more than welcome to do that too. But yeah, that's it for English today. I hope you guys have a good time with it. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you soon. Bye.